Did you know that the mosquito flying around us today is not a new creature? Its ancient relatives existed on Earth around 100 million years ago. That means while dinosaurs were roaming the planet, ancient mosquito relatives were already flying through that prehistoric world. Over millions of years, Earth's environments changed, but mosquitoes also adapted their bodies and lifestyles to survive in different conditions. A mosquito's life begins in water. A female mosquito lays her eggs on the surface of still water. After some time, tiny larvae hatch from those eggs and live underwater, feeding and gradually growing larger. The larva then transforms into a pupa, and its next transformation begins underwater. Finally, an adult mosquito emerges from the pupa, unfolds its wings and flies away. But how long does an adult mosquito live? There is no single answer. Its lifespan depends on its species, temperature, and environment, and male and female mosquitoes can have different lifespans. Now comes the big question. Why does a mosquito drink human blood? The answer is the female mosquito. Male mosquitoes generally do not drink blood. Female mosquitoes may need nutrients and proteins from a blood meal to help develop their eggs. But a mosquito does not rely only on its eyes to find us. Even in darkness, the carbon dioxide released when we breathe creates a signal in the air. Our body heat and body odor also help the mosquito move closer to us. As it follows these signals, it eventually reaches human skin. Now the real bite begins. The mosquito inserts its long, thin, specialized mouthparts into the skin. These mouthparts move between the tissues and search for a blood vessel. Once it finds a blood source, the mosquito releases saliva into the skin. This saliva contains molecules that help prevent blood from clotting too quickly, allowing the mosquito to take its blood meal. It then draws blood upward through its mouthparts. But after the bite, our body can recognize proteins from the mosquito's saliva as foreign. Our immune system may react at the bite site, causing redness, swelling, and intense itching. And sometimes, this tiny bite can be much more dangerous. If the mosquito is infected with a pathogen, it can acquire that pathogen during a blood meal and later transmit it when it bites another person. This is why some mosquito species play an important role in transmitting serious infectious diseases. But now comes the biggest question. How have such tiny creatures survived for around 100 million years? One major reason is their ability to reproduce quickly and adapt to changing environments. A female mosquito can lay eggs in very small amounts of standing water, allowing a new generation to begin developing there. In warm and favorable conditions, their life cycle can progress faster, while their ability to live in different habitats helps them survive changing environments. An individual mosquito may not live very long, but new generations keep appearing again and again. This combination of rapid reproduction, adaptation, and the ability to survive in different environments may be what has allowed this tiny creature to remain on Earth through millions of years of change.